Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program that will ask the student to give the prelim, midterm, and final grade, and then the program will compute the average grade of the student and display the result on the screen using C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my supporters, subscribers, and um, viewers of my channel. Thank you for your support. I hope that you will continue watching my videos, subscribing. I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, Ma'am Romelim, and Devin. If you want to be shout out, just leave your name in the comment section of this video and then put shout out. So let's begin. So I wrote this program almost 4 years ago. So the problem is, write a program that will ask the user to give the prelim, midterm, and final grade, and then the program will compute the average grade of the student and display the result on the screen. Okay, so we have your series of comments, and then I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program. The code will work also in code blocks. So right now we have here sharp includes today o.h for input output. In main, it is the starting point of every C program, left curly bracket, and then we have a series of variables. We have the data type of float. When we see float, we are dealing with decimal values. We have solve underscore average that will act assignment statement, prelim, midterm, and final. As we can see guys, it is initialized with zeros, and then we are calling system color F0. It will display gray. Print F new line, the title of our program, average grade solver in C. In this line of code, we are accepting give prelim grade that will be stored in our variable prelim, give midterm grade that will store in our variable midterm, and then final grade will be stored in our variable final. Using assignment statement, we have your solve underscore average equals prelim plus midterm plus final divide by 3, averaging, and then we have your display result. The student average is %.2. We want to have two decimal places, solve underscore average, and then end of program, which informs the program that has been ended. We have here a new line for formatting purposes, backslash a new line, skip sequence in C, and then we have a close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us compile and run. Okay, we have a gray background, average grade solver in C, give prelim grade, we have 78, midterm we have 98, midterm we have 87, final 87. The student average grade is 87.67, and a program. Another example, let's say enter prelim grade, we have 86, midterm grade 94, final grade 90. The student average grade is 90.00, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about average grade solver in C. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and then please support my channel if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.